So in the previous video we have seen classification tree. Now we will see how to create regression tree. Okay, here's the table. You can see doses, gender, drug effectiveness. So the target column is this. So we have to maximize the result. For that, now let's work on gender. So you can see there is two types of gender. Okay, gender. Firstly male and then female. So for male, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to take the consecutive value of doses per gender. So for male it will be 4, 6, 20, 25 and 40. For female we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10, 15, 30, 35. 10, 15, 30, 35. So we have to count the average of this. 5 and summation of this will be 44.4. Now this is called the predicted drug effectiveness. Now here the average will be 33.25. Okay, now we have to count SSR for gender. So what we have to do here, we have to subtract the predicted D from drug effectiveness. So here we get 0 minus 40.4 whole square. The same way male 2 plus 2 minus 40.4 whole square, then male 100 minus 40.4 whole square, then male plus 100 minus 40.4 whole square, and then male 0 minus 40.4 whole square. Then for female we have to do the same, but we have to subtract this average, not this, not this, this. So for 10, 15, okay. Here you find 3 minus 33.25 whole square plus female 100 minus 33.25 whole square plus 20 minus 33.25 and 10 minus 33.25. So this way we can find the SSR. Now let's see what happens if we work with doses. Here you can see the value is numeric, so we cannot divide this decision, so we have to count the consecutive average for this. Okay, let me move this so that I can minimize the time. Okay. Here you can see 4 plus 10, 4 plus 6 divided by 2 equals to 5. 6 plus 10 divided by 2 equals to 8. 10 plus 15 divided by 15. This way I have got this threshold, and now I will work with the threshold. So let's assume, so let's take threshold like those less than 12.5. Okay. So 12.5, so this falls under this. Less than true or false. If true, then 10 6 4, 10 6 4, and if false, then 15 20, 15 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Now we have to count the average. This average predicted dose efficiency will be to 5. Okay, let me do this. 10 plus 6 plus 4, 10 20 divided by 3. This will be 6.66. Now the same way we will count the SSR dose less than 12.5 will be 10 6 4. So 10 6 4. Okay, 0 minus dose effectiveness equals to 6.67 whole square plus 2 minus 6.67 whole square plus 3 minus 6.67 whole square and the same way you have to do this all along. And just keep in mind that don't mess up with this average part. Like if we are working with these values, then we have to take this average, and if we are working with these values, then we have to take this average. So this way, after doing after calculating the whole so after calculating the whole SSR, you have to pick the minimum number SSR. Minimum of SSR will be the result. So suppose SSR of gender is equals to 6230, SSR of age less than 12.5 is equals to 3230, then we will pick this as the value is the minimum value. So this way you can solve a regression tree and solve your problems. So thank you. Oh wait, so I have kept the SSR values of all possible I have kept the all SSR values of this table, so you can see the lowest number is 12,300. Okay, let me for better understanding, I have kept the all possible SSR values from this table so that you can take decision. So here you can see, okay, So for better understanding, I have kept the all possible So for better understanding, I have kept all possible sum of square residuals here, so that you can take decision from it. So here you can see that we have done is dose is less than age less than 12.5. So here it is. The SSR will be 12355 and other SSR will be this, but you can see the minimum is this, so we will choose age less than 12.5 here. So this way we will solve the regression tree and can go to a final decision. That's all. Thank you.